Good morning, students. Uh, Python, question number 7. Uh, Write a Python program as per the specification given below. Repeatedly prompt for sentence, string, or for queue to quit. Now, val is equal to y while val is equal y s is equal to input, enter the string s input, enter the string. Now here print s. Now here val is equal to input, enter y for more, or q for quit. Print you terminated the program. Now A B C D, yes. Now Q for quit. So you terminated the program. Now you can see in this program we can easily accept the value repeatedly and we can print. Now in this one work, that uppercase and lowercase we have to change. So st is equal to blank string I am declaring, and with this for I in range, for I in s, if I dot is lower, st is equal to st plus I dot upper, else st is equal to st plus I dot lower. I am a student. You can see the character which is in uppercase, it is in a small case, or which is in small case, it is in uppercase. Now A, B, C, D, E, E. Sorry, we have to give Y. Now here A, B, C, D, E. So you can see it is changed. Now again Y. I want to enter more. Now you can see it is again changed. Upper and lower case it is changed. So like this we can write the code for this program. If you want to quit, then give Q and it will be terminated. Now question 8. Write a program that does the following. Take two inputs the first an integer and the second a string, one integer, one string. uh, Integer, let's an example, d is equal to int input, enter the digit, and s is equal to input, and s is equal to input, enter the string. Now we have to take from the input string, extract all the digits. So first we have to check that digits are present or not. So if, not if, flag equal to 0 for I in s, if I dot is digit, if I dot is digit, flag is equal to 1, if flag is equal 1. Now we have to extract all the digits. So d1 is equal to blank, and st is equal to blank. We don't want st, we want d1 only. For I in s, for I in s, if I dot is digit, if I dot is digit, d1 is equal to d1 plus I, and we have to print the sum. Print the sum is d plus d1. So d1 is a string, we have to change it in integer, then only it will work. Now else, if digits are not present, then d1 is equal to 0, and print the sum is d. Now 1 2 a b c d, 1 2, 24 is coming, and 1 2 a b c d, no digit, so 12 should come, 12 is there. Now this is the code, and basically already we have discussed that how we can extract digits from a string. This is the question number 8. Now question number 9. In this question number 9, on what principle does the Python compares to string? Write a program that takes two string from the user and display the smaller string in the single line and the larger string as per this format. Now we have to accept two string. S is equal to input, enter the string, s1 is equal to input, enter the second string. Now st and st1 is the two. If length of s is less than, if length of s is less than length s1, then st equal to s and st1 equal to s1, else st equal to s1 and st1 equal to s. Print the small length string is st. Print the large length string is st1. Maybe we once again, here I am giving the bigger one and here I am giving the small one, then also it is giving the small and the largest. Now the smallest one should be printed, and for the large one we have to uh, use certain things to print. Now come from this portion we will print the smallest one, and for the larger one we have to check if length of st1, this is the larger one, mod 2 is equal 0, then print we can proceed, else odd length cannot be printed. Let's an example. This is the large one, I don't know what is. We can proceed. So once again for one example, a b c d, this is the large one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, yes, and if 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3, yes, this program is working properly. Now in this section, if it is even, then we have to work with certain things. Str is equal to blank, and a is equal to 0, number accepted for I in range 0 comma length s double slash 2, because it should run for half of the length of the loop, and then after for j in range 0 comma length s, if j is equal a, or if j is equal a, or j is equal length s minus 1 minus a, means ultimately it will reduce. If it is like this, then str, that variable we have taken, str is equal to str plus s j plus else str is equal to str plus space. Now print str and str is equal to blank and a equal to a plus 1. Let's see. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3. Now you can see this is coming in this format. Panda Python is given. Panda Python. You can see the small string is panda upside, and panda, and Python, it should work. Yes, now it is working. Python, python, and panda. How it will work? See, in this program, in this program, uh, upside we have taken care of the strings only, and downside from here, string one blank, and a is integer initiated here. I in range 0 length, half of the length it will go, and then the second loop 0 to length it will go, and we have given two conditions. J is equal to a means initial value, or j equal to length s minus 1 minus 1 means the final value. Length s means final value, less than 1 it will be compared from here, and minus a will reduce the value slowly by slowly. First time a is 0, so nothing, then a is 1, then it will less 1, a is 2, then it will be less than 2, and if it is true, any one is true, then it will join the values, and if it is not true, then it will join the space. Then after we have to empty the string and we have to increase the value. So like this way we will write the codes for this. Now make it as comment, and now come to the next question. Write a program to convert the given number into equivalent Roman number. Student, there is a table that we have to follow. We will not means write any numbers from 1 to that particular sequence. We will use some particular format the numbers which will means which is able to form all the other numbers like 1 4 uh, 5 9 like this. And doing for doing this, for solving this kind of questions, I'm taking care of the numbers according to their symbols, which you can find in the maths book also. N is equal to the number which you want to change. Enter the number. Now Roman number ROM is equal to, in the string format, take it as blank. Number is equal to, in list format I am taking so that we can store so many number of variables, 1000 comma 900 comma 500 comma 400 comma 100 comma 90 comma 50 comma 40 comma 10 comma 9 comma 5 comma 4 comma 1. Now value is also having one list. In this we will store the values of these numbers. So M comma CM comma D CD C C L Now after putting these values, which you can find from your maths book, one variable from the starting we will consider while n is greater than 0, while n is greater than 0, for I in range 0 comma n double slash num a num a rom is equal to rom plus val a n is equal to n mod num a equal to a plus 1 print rom 89, this is the number, 25, this is the number, 5, this is the number. So with the help of this code, any number you can convert in Roman numbers. Now in this you can see one number I have accepted, one Roman variable I have taken. This is the list. After 2-3 days I will discuss thoroughly what is list, what is the meaning of this bracket. And in value section also I have used list, and all the values I have taken care in this list form. A is the variable which will start from 0 n is greater than 0. Now for I in range, it will go up to the number a, means from here to here it will go. From 0 to last it will go. Roman number will hold the values one by one, and it will be stored in this. Then mod the n variable, the while variable, with num a and a equal to a plus 1. Print rom. You will get the answer in the Roman format. Now students, question 11. In this we have to accept one string and we have to count the number of words. We have to accept the number of and we have to accept the strings and we have to count the number of words. So s is equal to input enter the string and for one counter variable we need c is equal to 0 for I in range, not range, for I in s, I in s if I dot is space c plus 1. Now simply print the number of spaces are the number of words are c plus 1. Elephant is the largest animal on the land. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So like this you will write this simple code to count the number of words. You will count the number of spaces basically, and you will just increase the value by 1. You will get the number of words. Question number 12. Write a program to input a formula with some brackets and checks and print out if the formula has the same number of opening and closing parentheses. Enter the formula in string format. For c is equal to 0 for I in f, if I is equal this one, c equal to c plus 1, C1 equal to 0, for I in F, if I is equal this one, C1 equal to C1 plus 1, if C is equal 1 and C is equal C1 is equal 1, print correct, because in one formula only one opening and one closing braces. For this purpose I have written this code. There may be more than this also, else print incorrect, correct, and if incorrect. Now here you can slight change it, like it is correct because the opening and the closing are same. So this is the code by which you can uh, find the formula is correct or not. Sorry, this is question number 12. Question number 12 it is. Now question number 13. In question number 13, write a program that input a line of text and print out the count of vowels in it. S is equal to input, enter the string, C is equal to 0 for I in S, if I in A E I O U, C plus equal to 1, print the number of vowels are C. I am a student. 4. 4 vowels are there in this question. Question number 14. In this question we have to accept the string and find the largest word according to their length. S is equal to input, enter the string, st is equal to s dot split, and print st to check the string in the words it is coming or not. So I am a student. You can see every word is coming separately. Now max equal to 0 if length we have to traverse a loop for I in st. If length st we have to go through range in range length st and sti. If length sti is greater than max, in this case max is equal to length sti and st1 is equal to one blank. I want st1 is equal to sti print largest word is st1 print its length is max. I am a student. So you can see the largest word is student and its length is 7. How we are calculating in this st I have splitted this string which is accepted, means every word will be separate, and then for I in range length st it will go if length sti means the value at the position I is greater than max, then update it, length will be updated, and at that position string will be updated also. So if position is large, largest string will be updated also, and then print it. So by this simple way we will find the largest word from the string. Question 15. This is the last question of this lesson. S is equal to input, enter the string st is equal to s dot split. This will give you the words separately. Now for I in st, this will give you separate words. st1 is equal to st print st1 is the largest animal on land. Now in this case, you can see every word of this sentence is reversed. So like this we can write the code to reverse the word in the sentence. Now students, this lesson is over. The codes which is given here, you can go through the code and you can study this at home. If you feel any problem, you can ask me. Thank you. And in the next theory class, I will start list manipulation. I will give you certain uh, theoretical concepts in this lesson. Thank you.